What's up, cruisers? Welcome back to Cruise and Conquer, your go-to channel for all the latest cruise news, smart travel tips, and the cruise hacks you need to make your vacation unforgettable. Whether you're planning your very first cruise or you're a seasoned cruise blogger, you're in the right place to get the most out of your time at sea. Today, I'm excited to talk about everyone's favorite topic, freebies. We're diving into 5 awesome things you can get for free on your next cruise. Plus, I'll sprinkle in some bonus tips and tricks to help you save money and make every moment count. Ready to set sail? Let's jump in. All right, let's kick things off with tip number 1, free drinks. Drinks on a cruise can get pricey, but here's an insider secret. Many cruise lines offer complimentary drinks at special events. For example, check out the art auctions for a glass of free champagne, or swing by the captain's welcome party for a cocktail or two on the house. So keep an eye on the daily schedule. You never know where your next free drink might pop up. Tip number 2. This one's for all the foodies. Did you know you can order as many appetizers, entrees, and desserts as you want in the main dining room? Seriously, no extra charge. It's the perfect chance to try something new or just indulge in all your favorites. Pro tip: if you can't decide between 2 entrees, just order both. Tip number 3, free entertainment. Cruise ships are packed with incredible shows, live music, and comedy acts, all included in your fare. Don't skip out on those evening performances or live events. These shows are often as good as anything you'd pay top dollar for on land, so make the most of them. Number 4, here's a hidden gem. Most cruise lines offer complimentary room service for breakfast. Imagine starting your day with fresh coffee and pastries delivered right to your cabin, all for free. Just fill out the breakfast card the night before, hang it on your door, and wake up to breakfast in bed. And tip number 5, if you're traveling with little ones, you'll love this one. Most major cruise lines offer free kids clubs packed with activities and games, and even themed parties, all supervised by trained staff. It's a win-win. Your kids have a blast, and you get a little well-deserved downtime. So there you have it, 5 cruise freebies that can make your next vacation even sweeter. Now I want to hear from you. What's the wildest and most unexpected freebie you've ever scored on a cruise? Drop your story in the comments below, and you might get featured in our next video. Thanks for watching Cruise and Conquer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cruise tips, the latest deals, and all the vacation secrets you need to conquer your next adventure. Until next time, happy cruising.